Hello everyone, and I'm Fahad, and this is all about the raw widget. Okay, we'll be talking about the raw widget. And what is the raw widget? It just arranges the widget into the horizontal form into the horizontal line. All right. Now I got to use the raw widget for putting the things into the horizontal thing. So you use the raw widget, and in raw widget you use the children property to add the widgets. All right. Okay, I have already written the container widget which I have taught you in the last video. And if you haven't seen that, if you don't know about the container widget, the basic things about the container widget, you can check out that video. I will give you the link in the description. So let me just paste that code, which was this, the container and the icon int. All right. Okay, let me just show you the properties of the row. Okay, we will be talking about the property that are mostly or the commonly used. All right, so we won't be talking about every single property of the row widget. So the property that are mostly used into your row widget or the container widget are the main axis alignment, the cross axis alignment, sometime as well the text, sometime as well the text baseline, and the main thing, the the children property where you would add the widgets. All right, so I have just written the one child widget. Now I just want to copy this thing and paste it well, because I don't want to write again and again and three times. All right, we're good here. Now you can see that we have the widgets into the horizontal line. So this is how you use the raw widget. Okay, now let me just use the main axis property and the cross axis. Main axis, if you are using the row, the main axis is your horizontal line. Okay, your horizontal, the thing. Let me just write the main axis alignment. All right, we want to put it into the center. It will put your widgets into the center. And if you want to space evenly, keep creating a distance between the widgets, this is how you can do it. And you can also do it the space around and space between as well. Alright, so this is how you can do the main axis alignment thing. And cross axis alignment thing. So in a cross axis alignment, okay, in the cross axis alignment you have the center. You can stretch it. You can start with the start, baseline, and end. So we are going with the center. So let's see how this works. It won't show you any difference, because every widget is of a same size. But if we just change the size of a widget, then you will be able to see the difference. Alright, so let me just change the size of our widgets. Alright, so this is how it works. Okay, now you would be seeing the difference of the cross axis alignment. Now you could see the use of the cross axis alignment. Okay, in row, if you want to the start the line in the cross axis alignment or in the vertical direction from the start, so you could give it a start. And if you want to do it with the end, you would see the difference. And if you want to put the things into the center, the centrally aligned thing, you can put it in the center. And what would be the stretch thing, you can see it if you can stretch this thing. Okay, in stretching, what you are doing, that you are covering all your the vertical space. All right, so we also have, I guess, the baseline. But let's see. Okay, the baseline property is normally not useful, but you are using the text. In that scenario it can be useful. Okay, so this was the main properties of your raw widget. All right, I want to stretch this thing. All right, so these were the main properties, the most used properties in your raw widget. And raw widget was the kind of widget that aligns your widgets or your children's into the horizontal line. and this was all for this video. If you really find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.